Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Chute-Saint-Philippe, Quebec, is a small but charming town located in the Laurentian region of Quebec, known for its forests, lakes, and beautiful natural scenery. Chute-Saint-Philippe is a peaceful getaway, perfect for anyone looking to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The town's name, Chute-Saint-Philippe, actually means St. Philip's Falls, inspired by the nearby waterfall that has been an important part of the local landscape. The area is surrounded by natural beauty, with dense forests, clear lakes, and lots of open space. People come here to enjoy a slower pace and connect with nature. Chute-Saint-Philippe is especially popular with outdoor enthusiasts. There are plenty of activities to do here, especially if you love the outdoors. In the summer, you can go hiking, fishing, and camping. The lakes nearby, like Lac Rochon, are great spots for fishing and boating, and you'll find many people enjoying a quiet day on the water. In the winter, this area turns into a snowy wonderland, perfect for snowmobiling and cross-country skiing. The town has trails that connect to the larger snowmobile networks in the region, making it a favorite spot for winter sports lovers. Thanks for joining us as we explore Chute-Saint-Philippe. Whether you're here for the nature, the peaceful atmosphere, or a bit of adventure, this town has something special to offer.
watching!